In a world gone digital and made more competitive than ever before, Zoovu brings your company and customers together no matter where in the world you're working from. Using our technology, uniting teams to create seamless customer experiences has never been easier. That's why when it comes to driving operational efficiencies, increasing ROI, and scaling their business online, companies like 3M, Microsoft, and BSH choose Zoovu. Meet Tom. Say hi, Tom. Hey, Tom just started his role as brand manager for PE Healthcare, a B2B medical device manufacturer with over 5,000 products and 100,000 combinations. Tom's predecessor, Mike, took 2 months to be onboarded and functional in his role. All the product configurations had to be learnt and absorbed through a product catalog that was over 100 pages long. Ooh, that's a lot of work. But we at Zoovu want Tom to be upskilled faster and selling products sooner. So, how do we do this? Zoovu takes complex information and turns it into conversations that allows you to build, track, and optimize your conversations in a drag-and-drop environment, simulating the F2F experience by asking the right qualifying questions to identify the right product set. With Zoovu, you're getting content discovery at its finest, as well as AI product enrichment that helps your staff and customers experience your business at its best, with your product or services on the front lines of a buyer's journey acting as an effective and continuous solution to their queries or goals. Wow, this is cool! Poor Mike didn't get this luxury. Now let's meet Lara. Lara is the operations manager for the Vupa Trust. Lara needs to stock the 50 hospitals in her region with the right medical equipment. Within days of Tom starting, he was already on the phone with Lara using Zoovu to support him in guiding Lara to the right products.
Thanks so much, Tom. This has been awesome. I wasn't expecting such a fast turnaround.
A few weeks later, Lara heads off on a well-deserved break in the sun and hands over to Lucy to manage their operations in the interim. Lucy is made aware that a new location has been added to the hospital portfolio and she will need to ensure supplies are ordered and brought in. Tom, Lara's account manager at PE, is also out of the office on some training. But that's no problem, because Lucy can just head over to the PE website where she can surface the digital assistant to ask the right questions and ensure that she makes the right orders. This specific hospital requires some machinery that is configurable. Using Zoovu's configuration experiences, Lucy can quickly adapt the product to the customer preferences and make her order.
Lara is going to be so impressed that the hospital will be functional when she gets back.
Lara returns from leave and is greeted by over 100 emails in her inbox. The first task she picks up is to manage a support query for a faulty machine. Lara was used to sitting on the phone for hours trying to identify the right part for this machine and then waiting to check if it was in stock. But now, with Zoovu, she can simply head to the support section on the website and identify the right part within a few clicks and have it shipped. Thanks to this significant time saving, Lara manages to get through most of the inbox by the end of the morning and is back to operational meetings by the afternoon. Having Zoovu means ensuring frictionless customer experiences through simplicity via the Clicks Not Code platform. With Zoovu, you get flexibility to scale the offering with ease, independence to autonomously utilize the platform internally, and a speed-to-market advantage. Zoovu puts processes in place that automatically enrich content and the customer's experience, reducing costs and increasing scale and operational efficiency whilst driving sales and expanding each for any B2B business. It's AI content discovery, but with a human touch.